Hi, welcome to this tutorial. My name is SOni, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talk about page layout. This is the most important topic of the web page. If you wanna make the website, this is the most important one. So have a look over here. This one, the topmost, is what we call as header. This one, the downmost, is what we call as footer. This one, blue one, is the first column. This one, third, painted in green, contents, is the second column. This layout is called two column layout. Okay, and when it comes to Facebook has three column layout. This first one starting from over till over here, the second one starting from over here till over here, and this third one starting from over here till over here. This is the footer of Facebook, and this is the header of Facebook, and it is fixed. See, we are scrolling Facebook, but this header is fixed, isn't it? And this is the footer of Facebook. Let's watch what the page layout Google has. Okay, so this is the header of Google. Okay, and in the header what we write is all the main topics which our website has. For example, Google has Orkut, Translate, books, blogs, photos. These are all image of Google. You can say these are what Google represent. Okay, so Google has displayed them in their header, so that anyone who can visit Google can simply go to Orkut if we want to Blogger and so on. In the header we actually mention our contact information. For example, about the author, if you had made, suppose I have made the website, then I'm gonna write about me. I'm gonna specify over here my mobile number, and I'm gonna specify any other information like copyright information and so on in the footer. Okay, column, Google sincerely doesn't have any column layout, isn't it? Whatever. So now we're gonna discuss. First of all, guys, there are three types of layout. Okay, yeah, there are three types of layout. First layout is fixed layout. Second layout is fluid layout. Third layout is elastic layout, and we can make a fourth layout called hybrid layout, which is a combination of these three layout. Okay, so what is fixed layout? First of all, this is the coding, okay, which has been done to represent that layout. I'm gonna explain this coding to you in the next tutorial. Right now, let's discuss what are these three types of layout. Okay, so over here you see this is the right. This represent this green box. Okay, yeah. So to make a fixed layout, simply change all the dimension. For example, we say that tell me the height of this window. Okay, someone says in centimeter, someone says it in another unit, in feet and so on. Okay, it may be feet, who knows, but most of them tells us in centimeter. Similarly, this is the weight, and the unit of it is percentage. Okay, I want all of you guys to replace. Certainly you cannot replace right now, we don't have code, but see, I'm gonna replace percentage with pixel. Okay, replace all, and I'm gonna increase their width to certain extent, say 200, say 1000 pixel. px stands for pixel. Left once again 200, and okay, 900 pixel. I don't think so, but this one should be 450 pixel. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna refresh it. Okay, so gonna increase the size to a bit more extent. So over here, see, this is the left one. I'm gonna increase left one width, say let's make it of 2000 pixel, and right one is also of 2000 pixel. Refresh it, and it's a bit too much now. Let's make it of 1000 pixel. and 1000 pixel. Refresh it, and it's even now is a bit more. Let's make it of 600 pixel. This one also of 600 pixel. Refresh it and see now it's back to its normal form. Okay, yeah. Header, let's footer, let's increase the size of footer. Okay, yeah. Size of footer would be let it be 900 pixel. I refresh it. This is it. Now see, this is fixed layout. Why is it fixed layout? Well, this is fixed layout, guys, because if I do like this, see, the content is being. Where is footer gone? Tell me. Can you see footer anywhere? It has been somewhat about downstairs. If I increase its width, this is the footer. So what I meant to say is that layout is fixed. Okay, so this layout, so we cannot, if we want our web page to be represented in other sizes of screens, for example in mobile, we cannot use this layout. Okay, yeah, this layout can be used by those only when the screens are too big, like this. And this is kinda ugly too, because this is not expanding. It should fit this shit, isn't it? Okay, so this is fixed layout. To make a fixed layout, use a unit pixel. Why pixel? Because pixel is an absolute unit. By saying absolute unit, I meant to say is that pixel is fixed. For example, if I say move 1 meter left from your origin, it's fixed that you need to move 1 meter left. Okay, but if I say move 10 times relative distance of what your companion has moved, well, this is relative. This depends on how much distance your companion has moved. Pixel is fixed. If I say 10 pixel, it's certainly from over here till over here, so it's fixed. That's why. Okay, now this is fixed layout. You get it? Now what is fluid layout? Fluid layout is kind of shit like this. Have a look. We actually use percentage sign for fluid layout. Okay, what we actually do over here is that certainly would be that first of all, let me change them back to the normal. I refresh them and see, this is the fluid layout. Okay, if I now resize the pic, see, footer is still over here. Okay, yeah. Now see this shit. Wait a bit. See, the space between them are automatically adjusting themselves, and all the content are available whatsoever happen. This is fluid layout. This is like a fluid water. See, it automatically expands, it automatically contracts so as to fit the page width. Okay, and how to represent it? Use percentage. When I say width equals to 100% in footer, means entire width of the page. So right now this is the width of the page. Footer is filling it fully. If I maximize it like this, sorry, I maximize it like this, footer is once again filling it fully. It's always 100%, isn't it? If I do it like this, wait a bit, footer is even now filling it fully. Okay, so footer is always 100%, and in this way others has also been specified their size in percentage. This is called fluid layout, and if you want your web page to be available in mobile also, use fluid layout. And the third one is elastic layout. What does elastic layout does is that, see guys, this template header, I had maximized the web page, its size is fixed. I'm making it small, its size is even now fixed. Its size is template header has a certain default size. It's a default size, say of 8 pixel. Its size is fixed. But what I wanted is that if web page becomes bigger in size, font should automatically become larger. If template becomes smaller in size, font becomes automatically smaller. This is really a nice shit, isn't it? To do this, instead of saying font size size equals to say 10 pixel. Use font size, oh come on, size equals to 10 em stands for emphasis. Okay, so what does it do is that it's a multiplication of its current value. For that is, look, default font size is, if I say 10 emphasis, then it means 10 times of what the default font size is. Okay, so use this. What is hybrid layout? Hybrid layout is the combination of fluid layout and emphasis layout, and it's really a nice thing, isn't it? That means hybrid layout would have fluid layout and also um, elastic layout. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, rate and comment. In the next video tutorial we're gonna discuss the code. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. We were continuing list. Um, so in this video tutorial, we're gonna basically make this to happen when I click over here. Oh come on, back. When I click an item in list, new screen gets displayed. Hell is written over here. This is what we're gonna do for within this video tutorial. So continuing back, I'm gonna delete the code which I have wrote it down to make it happen. I'm gonna make it once again. I'm gonna write it down and explain it to you once again. It's few things to change. Make it change to hello, okay, and make this one change to say act, okay. I'm changing it to hello just because hello is quite small name, so it's fine. An activity name, this is list. It's off word, isn't it? It's not a name. That's why hello is kind of fine thing. So over here we once again need to change this one to, yes sir, we do, act, okay. Now what's next? Next is when you click onto the list, new screen gets displayed. This is what we wanted. For this we have a default method within list activity which we need to override. This method is on list item click. So I'm simply gonna say first of all override because this is necessary. Okay, let's not write it for now. I'll show you why it's necessary. Protected experiments is the best way we can learn, isn't it? This is what we'll be doing in this video tutorials then. Protected void on list item click. First one would definitely be Listview LV. Second one would definitely be view V. Third one would be position. Fourth one would be long ID. This is fixed. You need to write as it is, okay? Within it, what is LV? LV is basically first thing comes first. When you have wrote it down, it will be actually for you guys like this. See, something like that. Red line would be produced, would have been produced in both of this as well as over here for you guys. Simply hover the mouse over here and import the things off and you are good to go. Okay, yeah, see. Anyway, so what is Listview? Listview is basically this list. This is a method already developed by Android developers. So this list is implicitly sent to this method in the name LV. So this simple list item 1 is what this LV represent. So and this view V, what is it? Well, it is the first item. You see you see this one, hello, list item, first item of list. This is what it represent. Position is the position of this item. Basically over here position equivalent to 0. If there would have been one more item, position would have been 1 in this way. ID, each and every item within list has its unique ID. Say if its ID is 10A, its ID, the item just behind this hello. Right now there is no item behind, just downside of, just below hello, but if it would have been, then its ID would be something different than 10A. So each and every item within list has its unique ID. That's it. Super dot on list item click. Why do we write this, Duke? We write this super dot on list item click. What happened? LV. Because within Android I do like this menu button, bang, everything gets lost. I go once again, sorry, and once again to Android samples. This is what my project is. and actually what I happens to find is that still the information I typed over there is still over here. This is what we happen. Okay, if you want to know what is super dot on list item click, then here you go. It's a bit slower, yeah. I'm working on laptop and I need to be quick. Within message, come on, damn it, open it off. I'm gonna create a new message. Anything. Come on. Over here you go. Over here, if I type message, press the home screen button. What the hell? My message gets lost. Damn it. This is what would have been happen if we would have been in our old mobiles. But dude, it's Android. You will still find the information over here. Bang, still information is over here. What the hell? Does this application doesn't get closed? No dude, it does get closed. Then how does the information still over here? Is it storing this information in within hard disk? No dude, it's not even storing the information within hard disk. What the hell? Then how the hell is this possible? It's possible because of this duke. This super.on create simply stores some runtime information which it can fit in it, so that when the application gets open up once again, it can be retrieved from over here. Okay, so we write down this super on list item. This is what it's for. Okay, so how much the time passed? Okay, so we're gonna continue this in